measure right around the middle of the torso, and I go right under the bust. Okay, so I'm underneath.
Okay, yeah.
You know, bosom.
Yep. What's up, guys? Dr. Mike here of the Specific Chiropractic Centers, and on today's video, man, we got something that's pretty unique, kind of weird, but I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm here with Heather Schaefer, and Heather, I want you to share with the viewers what it is that you do, what it is that you're all about, because you are definitely associated with kind of the healthcare industry and all that stuff, and it does tie into back pain, back discomfort, chest discomfort,
neck, shoulders, all of that.
Yeah, neck, shoulders, potential, like kind of limiting potential health issues coming up in the future. So what is it that you do, and like what do we have planned today?
I know. Well, and it's really funny. Oftentimes I kind of say to people, you know, I'm kind of going to be in your comfort zone here really quickly. So here we go, ladies. Yeah. Everybody. I'm your bra breakup expert. That's really what I'm going to say.
There we go.
So there we go. We just put it out there on the table, right?
Bra breakup
right there.
expert.
Right there.
Okay.
That's my title.
Okay.
So I help women literally break up with their bra.
Gotcha.
Seems crazy.
Okay.
I know you don't know a whole lot about that.
I don't know much about it at all, to be honest. I don't know.
Which I'm glad for.
But at the same time, I feel like it's a large topic that a lot of people don't know about.
Literally.
But that could really benefit them.
Yes.
So, yeah.
And I'm guessing that some of you watching definitely do know about the pains, the troubles, the discomfort, and a lot of those issues that go along with that. And so really that's what I get to do, is I get to help women with a really everyday, comfortable, supportive solution for all sizes and shapes of women.
Gotcha.
And I really love that, especially today in, you know, body confidence, body positivity, and you're in healthcare trying to help people be their healthiest self.
Yeah, absolutely.
And so to give any shape or size woman, from a 32 to a 50 size, that's like at your band size, a really practical, comfortable, supportive alternative is really awesome. And it's very unique, I know.
Yeah, it is.
It causes lots of great discussions when I meet with women.
I believe it.
Yeah.
Well, and it's something that we're like, Heather reached out to me, and I figured like this could be a really good partnership, because I see a lot of people in the office who like they come in for various things, whether it's headaches, neck pain, blah blah blah. And something I hear quite a bit is like, I carry a lot of stress kind of like right in between my shoulder blades. So I learned what Heather did, and I'm like, oh my gosh, like this could be really like kind of like everything could kind of be linked together with all of this. So I'm like, okay, let's do a video. Let's see what she's all about. And like, what are we gonna do in today's video? Because like I know we talked about it, but it's kind of unique,
well, and it was your idea.
This
you
is
put
true.
yourself out there, right?
This is true. I did put myself out there, so yeah.
So we're gonna actually walk through what I do when I do a fitting for a woman. So one of the things that I get the honor to do is that I actually fit women individually. Okay. So it's not, you know, a one size fits all. Yeah. It's not a, you know, walk into a department store and
or like look on a website and be like, hey, this is what I think it is. And
exactly. And so I really give people a custom fit. So that's kind of what we're going to walk through today, is how I do that.
Okay, well,
so I don't know what we're going to have in your son.
I have no idea. Well, you guys, let's get into this. And if anything, what it's going to show is it's going to show your expertise, but also what the experience is like getting fit with Heather and all this stuff. So let's do it.
Okay.
So Heather's going to run us through how this works. Yeah. All the benefits, the differences, everything like that. So
I know. It's not very painful, I promise. Okay. I promise, good. Right? You don't want pain when you meet with your clients either, right? No. That's not what we're going for.
Please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me.
So I always try to make it as comfortable as possible.
Okay, cool.
Which is why I always kind of come in and I'm all like, okay, I'm going to get in your space here in a minute.
Which is fine. That's fine. That's fine. Yep.
So the first thing that I like to do is even just visually see, you know, are you broad-shouldered? Okay. Are you, you know, what's kind of your built, your frame like? Yeah. Because that does make a difference, actually. Yeah. And so then I usually ask a woman if she knows her bra size, and the majority of women either don't wear the right size bra or have no idea. Okay. You know, with sports bras and a lot of things, it's like, oh, small, medium, large. Gotcha. Well, it's really hard to gauge. And so if she knows, then that gives me a good gauge, and I can kind of start to see. But I just start with a measuring tape.
I have no idea on my size, so I can't help you there.
Right. Sorry. Yeah, you can't. Again, I'm very glad.
I'm of no assistance to you right now.
So, and I don't, you can just wear what you're wearing.
Yeah.
This is fine.
Perfect. So,
and,
I don't need to take my shirt off.
Nope.
We're good with that. Okay,
no,
cool.
You don't need to take your shirt off at all.
Cool.
And so then I just measure right around the middle of the torso, and I go right under the bust. Okay, so I'm underneath.
Okay, yeah.
Bosom.
Yeah.
Just kidding. Mm-hmm. And so he's a 36, just for point of reference.
Gotcha.
Right?
Perfect.
And so really that's where I start. That's all I need to know. For women, you're used to shopping with bras and you need to know the cup size and you have to take the top size and all of this and subtract and do math and it's very complicated.
Sure.
We don't have to do that because actually the cami that we fit you in is going to stretch to your body. This is just one example of what one looks like. Just so you can see. It looks kind of funny. There's no body in it.
Yeah.
Looks a little funny now, right?
Yeah,
but here's one on.
Here's one already on and good to go.
Right. So
I could be on QVC, I think.
You could.
Yeah.
You could.
I know.
Yeah, it's a good thing for you to kind of put on your side.
I think so.
Side gig, right?
I think so.
And so this cami is actually going to stretch and mold to your body shape, which is the other thing that I really love is that no matter what your body shape is, what's happening, this is going to fit to you. You're not going to have to cram yourself into it. Now the other thing I like to take into consideration, and I might even be able to visually tell, or I would ask you, do you feel like your torso is long, short, or average, Mike?
I feel like mine's average to longer, just based on how tall I am.
Right, right. So that's always a good gauge, and because we have different styles of camis that are going to fit based on your torso length. So if you're really short torso, I'm going to choose one cami style for you. Longer torso, I would choose a different one.
Gotcha.
And again, this is where a personal stylist and somebody to really give you that personal fit is going to be helpful. And so sometimes it's just a matter of trying a couple on to see which ones feel the best. You know, oh, I don't know if I have a long torso. I don't know. Well, we know once you get it on, then we can start to have a really good idea.
Yeah, if it's going to work well for you or not, type of deal.
Right. And so that's really what it's about. When I give a woman, I give you instructions when you go to try them on. I have samples with me, and I let you go and try that on, and then I have you come back, and I'll do some adjustments, and I'll help make sure that everything is fitting properly, that straps and all of that are adjusted, and just give you some pointers so that you're just not left on your own to figure it out for yourself.
Yeah.
So that's really as easy as
Awesome. Well,
no pain, right?
No, I guess not. No, super easy. But no, Heather, I want to thank you for coming in and sharing what this is all about and everything. I think some of the viewers are going to be really happy about this information and all that stuff. I think we're going to do a couple more videos with Heather, as I think she has some other information that could really benefit everyone that's watching. And as always, I want to thank you for coming in. It was a pleasure. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.